Okay. Here I want to talk about the dashboard project that I had, which were made based on the Spring Software data. As you can see in this page, there are 6 charts that I made. The first one is a period table chart. It is a chart that I use to show the units sold by person. And you also can see they have a slicer in the right side of this chart. What this slicer helps is it can help you to look at the units sold by each products. The last chart in the first line you see is the one I had most problem with. Because of the interactive control checkbox, it's kind of hard to figure out how to make those checkboxes work, and there are once that I recorded the checkbox wrong, then it will not change the data when you click on it. And the Pareto chart in the middle of the second line is the other one I find is kind of difficult, not only because of how to make this chart, but also because you need to know where all the data go and what data you want to use and how to put them together and let them to show what you wanted. The thermometer chart in the end of the second line is one I found most helpful. What I had is I used this thermometer chart, look at the different units sold between each products in 2010 and 2011. It's pretty clear that you had the most sold in 2011. This trend chart is the one I find most interesting, because of the clear data that shows you, and even though while doing the interview this chart seems like not the most helpful one, but it's still the one I like the most. The pivot table chart is a helpful chart when you're trying to show a general idea about the data you have, and it can sum the data in a nice way. Here what I have is I use this period table chart, look at the difference between USA and Mexico, and it shows pretty clear that USA have the most units sold. I think here are end of my dashboard project. Thank you.